If you want to find trending songs and audios on Instagram, here's exactly how to do it. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once your profile loads, look for the Professional Dashboard section. If you don't see it, that means your account isn't set to professional mode yet, so you'll need to switch to a professional account first. However, if the Professional Dashboard is visible, tap on it. From the list of options that appear, scroll down until you find trending audio and select it. This will bring up a curated list of currently trending songs and sounds that are gaining popularity. You can preview any of them by tapping play, or if you find one you like, save it directly to your saved section for easy access later. And that's it. You now have a quick and effective way to discover trending audios on Instagram to use in your content. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.